Okay. 1 minute until the market open. So I already have my pre-market plan record, and I'm gonna post it on my Instagram later today after I edit it. And we already have all our level mark out. Look like want to break this balance low level and heading toward the gamma explosive 3 and then high volatility after this rejection from the gamma exposure 2. Okay, 5 second, 2, 1. Sitting in ooh, really nice push back to this level right here. Okay, looking at the footprint, book map, nothing crazy. This strong buy just break through the selling balance at the 310 ready, and now it's keep ripping up. Really strong buyers. Okay, just observing the information and wait to see how it react to this supply level right here, if it's able to reach. Okay, really strong, looking really strong. Okay, some seller are stepping in. We can see some rejection as we approaching the value area high. Looking at QQQ, we are under this high volatility core-resistant level and above high volatility 0 day to expire. So we're gonna see Yeah. Now buy a push to this level. Okay, now revisit our overnight value area high and our supply level. Rejection. Here, looking at the 1 minute chart, we can see a nice rejection. Man, I took a $300 loss from trading the overnight session from last night. I think it's just something. It's just not work with me. Trading in the overnight session. So that's something I've learned. Should not trading in overnight session. It's just not something for me. So today I gotta make 1,900 or 1,850 to Corvette and pass this account if doesn't matter. Doesn't need to pass account like today. It's be good if I pass it today. It would be perfect, but I can make like few hundreds cover the loss, extra 1,000, and then make a make it tomorrow. We can see as we approach to the level, we can see is really nice rejection. Let me put you back on my trading view. Yeah, we can see a nice rejection, a really clean rejection from this level. Short momentum. I try a short. My stop gonna be at 310. Ooh, that is a wide ass stop. I'm gonna break even. Show you my screen. Uh, and we're gonna see where it's gonna go. Okay, break even. Sellers still look really strong right here. I might re-enter. Not yet. Let's see where how it's gonna go. How seller gonna defend at the 90 to the 300. Okay, really nice rejection. A lot of seller selling imbalance right there. Nice reject. Okay, now revisiting that those level of selling balance. I didn't take a short since even after I saw a level of selling balance, I see a nice rejection. But the things that I need to see is breakdown through to the low, which is didn't happen. So now buyer is still strong right here. Okay, it's still reject. Okay, we can see here um, from this selling, we have this level of, yep, a lot of seller imbalance right here also. So we need to see NQ defense below 300 if there's strong side buyers break through this. If there's a strong side buyers break through the 300, then uh, there is a lot of buyer participant effort trying to break through this to revisit this sell imbalance, this supply zone right here. Looking at bookmap, there's is a lot of effort. Yep, it just break through the high. So these are also another sell imbalance level. This, but not really significant. Okay. We are not rushing, only 12 minutes in the session. We took one short and immediately break even, didn't play out, stop it out, and then now price rally up. I would say that a good trade, good try with good risk management, break even right after is reaching the low of day. Okay, now it's revisiting the 40 to the 60 level. Let me mark that out for you guys. 40 to 60. So we can see right when NQ tap into this zone, we can see some seller effort. Try to push down. Let's see how it's gonna react to this level. Okay, revisit the value area high and also the level that they reject. As in our pre-market plan, what did I say? They will more likely to be chop and reversal trade. So if you got so in this positive gamma level condition, then quick scalp would be good. Also a good way to trade in this kind of environment. Okay, bookmap, revisit this. We see some seller trying, but buyer still making high. Okay, now visiting this high right here. Really strong buyers. Really strong buyers. But the thing is, are they gonna get trapped? Are they gonna still make another higher high? We can see another rejection right here. Revisit this range, reject. But we can see, looking at the CVD chart, there is higher highs and higher low in the CVD chart, and we are making higher lows actually. Yep. QQQs just break through this high, make another higher high. try quick long. I'm gonna immediately put my stop at a 50. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna take this loss. I think seller kind of strong. If they continue to push down, I would take this loss. No problem. But if buyer are willing to push up, then but the thing is been absorbed 2 times already. So this time if it's continue to fail, then buyer really getting absorbed. Okay, presenting the high, is it gonna get reject? Okay, gonna put my stop to the 60. Right here. Okay, push up. Break even. See if this buy gonna hold and push up or it's gonna fail. Okay, I see some, put my stop at 85. I'm gonna reduce the loss that I make from last night as much as possible. Okay. You can see a lot of buyer attempts but failed. So take out my stop and now go back to this level, the wrenching level. Turn off this. The long plays is still really solid. I think I was a little bit rushed with I was a little bit rushed with the stop loss, but that's okay. This depends on each people. I feel I don't like to have any drawdown, uh, so I will try to cover up as much as this as possible, so there would be less pressure. Okay, a lot of selling balance. This low, 60 to the 70, 360 to the 370 is my support level, developed from looking at the footprint. We can see at the highs there's things that I call small print. At this high over here, could take a short. I might want to switch into this, since this is volatility is high as hell. You know, I'd rather take it slow. I could take a short and put my stop at this high right here. Okay, another push by the buyers. Just try a short. Oh. The fuck is that? Is that news? Oh, PMI. Fuck me. Didn't know. Then the what? My bad. Didn't know about the news. This is crazy. Okay, we are looking at QQQ. Looking at QQQ, we can see we reached the high volatility and core resistance, 0 day to expire. So right now we can see some reaction, like a rejection down to this value area low. Take a short. Put my stop at the 90s. Target the gamma exposure 4 or the POC. Put at 310. Let's see if they are able to continue to break through this low. If I put my just still gonna aim for the 1,800, but I'm gonna try my stop when it get close to the POC. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. Okay, I'm in a short already, and I got my stop at the 90s. Above the POC of this candle right here. Now the sell are playing really well. Okay, facts, I'm gonna break even. Really nice sell. Getting to the gamma exposure 4 level, 300. But what I would confirm myself this is not a good of a stop placement, but it's at the gamma exposure 4 already, so there could be any strong reaction. So I just get my stop to cover up all my drawdown, and then you're gonna play with the dollar amount number. This could continue to sell down, but I'm gonna take the win. This is not a playbook way of managing your stop loss. But if you want to trade aggressively, especially, not really, because let me show you the top left. We are reaching the gamma exposure 4. We can see some reaction going up, and now we reject below the gamma exposure 4, which means this could be some reaction at this level, this balance range we can see right here. So now if you're in a short position, you could get your stop aggressively, or if you want, you can put your stop at the 20s. Oh, which just right here, nothing crazy. See some buyer support here on bookmap. These limit order, yeah, buy aggressive buyer are pushing up. Okay, look like a spoof to me. Strong, really strong. Just continue to sell off. Just make my stop to 600. I got feel what the fuck is this? Not even touch my stop. It's okay. I could just enter another trade. Okay, buyer, aggressive buy here. Pushing to this stack, selling balance. From this sell off. We can see is pushing to this level where we can have one buy imbalance and a stack sell imbalance right here. So this level will be a resistant level at the 20s. Okay, but by putting in reject. Okay. I think sell off would be play a really nice. Good target the game exposure 3 at 24,200. A short can play out here, but what I need to see is a breakdown through this low, these low right here, been reject multiple times. Other than that, still watching this level up here. Right now, just playing ping pong. Okay, break through the high. Create a high. We could try a long with our stop at 10. So 10 by 20, 10 to 20 point stop. Right here and see buy a strong here. If it fell, take my stop out. And we'll target the high of day. Okay, looking at bookmap, heavy limit order, fill, push up, really nice, and think gonna rally from here. Uh, you just see a strong rally from here. Gonna put my stop at 50. Which is right here. Uh, okay, pushing higher. Now it's getting to uh, the range that been rejection earlier in the session already. So getting my stop here is good. As what I say, and I will keep saying, we are in a positive gamma condition. So scalp, quick play, um, uh, small play, quick scalp would be a good decision. So, but if I want to hold runners like this, like to the half day, I will manage my stop really tight. Like I want to get my stop like at this half day, like a runner. I just manage my stop real tight. Right? We can see we revisiting this range and we was unable to break out through this range. This just because of the news. There's no significant effort, strong confirmation from the buyers. So this level of rejection is still look really, really, and really effective and strong to me. I'm gonna sell down to this level. Yeah, I'm gonna be out. And that's it. I think that's it for today. I took I don't know. I took quite a lot of free trade already. So 6 tray. I took 1 tray in the overnight sessions. So this morning I took 5 tray. And I also heard that there's some news going on with Trump. He putting out like 48 hours for Iran and stuff. So the market could be ranging because of that. They're waiting for news from him. Let me check. Yeah, nothing crazy on the option flow side. Okay, and now it's ripped. Oh my god. Okay, matter of fact, I'm gonna just lock out my account because profit is profit. Still in an eval, but good play, good trade. I sized out with from 1 mini to 5 micro. Okay, that's it for me today, guys. I already take 5 trade for this session already, and total profit is 480, 500. So I will got 1,000 more to work on this eval. My pre-market plan worked really nice. We are bouncing between this range and effective range. This work. The supply zone. When price visited, the seller appear. So this is day 2 of the 30-day challenge from eval to live, and I'll see you guys. I'll be back tomorrow.